and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I'm fixing to try something. I don't know how this is going to work. I have got some pizza crust, the Pillsbury pizza crust that I have had for a while, and I need to use it. And I really didn't want to do a pizza, so I was looking on Pinterest, and I found a recipe for some, I think they called them Taco Pinwheels, I believe. And I'll kind of walk y'all through this as I'm doing it, but I've got some of my ground beef here. I'll try to link that video below. I browned it ahead of time and put it in the freezer, and I just took it out of the microwave. I've got my taco seasoning I'm going to put in it. I have found some chopped green chilies, and then I've got some Mexican style cheese and some nacho taco blend. And basically what you do, you spread the dough out and put all your fillings in it, roll it up, and then cut it, and then bake it. And then you can top it with salsa or sour cream. I don't know how these are going to be. I'm just winging it. So, but once I get my dough laid out and put everything on there, I'll bring you back and then, you know, kind of walk you through how I do it. So I got my pizza dough rolled out, and I got my ground beef heated. I just kind of heated it a little bit. And y'all, when you do the ground beef like this, it's going to be a little dry. And you're supposed, when you put that packet of taco seasoning in it, it kind of makes it even drier. So you can add a little water. I added some salsa and some green chilies. So to kind of, you know, moisten it up a little bit. But I've got my ground beef. I put a few more green chilies on there, and I've got my cheese. Now I'm fixing to try to roll this and slice it. Cross your fingers for me. All right, y'all, I tried to cut it. I don't know if you can see it there. And the dough, I think I had my dough spread too thin, and it wasn't gonna hold or maybe I had too many fixings in it, I don't know. But anyhow, I am baking it whole. So let's just call this a Taco Stromboli, I guess. So, but I put it on about 12 minutes at 350, and when I pull it out of the oven, I'll show you what it looks like. Maybe, if it don't look too bad. I also had some of these little tostadas that I needed to use up, and I had some meat left. So what I have done in my air fryer, I have put some on one of these tostadas and put some cheese and heated it in my air fryer. And I've got some sour cream. I've got sour cream, some black olives, and some of these little holy guacamoles that I'm gonna put on it when it comes out. There's my little tostada. I put it on some foil so I would have a couple handles to pull it out with. So, but I'll show you what it looks like when I get it, let's say once I get it decorated. Now there's my little tostada. It's got the ground beef. I heated it in my air fryer with some melted cheese, and then I put some sour cream, black olives, and some of the holy guacamole, and I put a little bit more of the salsa and the cheese on it. Yum, yum. All right, y'all, here it is. It's kind of oozing where I tried to cut it and then it busted. Y'all, this pizza dough it had a couple of, when I spread it out, it had a couple of holes in it, you know, like a pie crust will get. And I kind of had to pinch it back together. So there was a couple of weak places in it. So I guess we have a Taco Stromboli. It did not work out with the pin. Here's what you got to do with the pinwheels, y'all. You're not going to be able to stretch the dough at all. You're going to kind of have to have it a little bit thick is probably what, you know, so it'll hold together. But I bet you it's going to taste just as good, though. What do you think? Okay, y'all, I've let it sit for a little bit, and it looks like it's holding together real good. Can you see? You'll be able to just cut it and eat it just like that. So you might want to put some salsa and black olives and sour cream on it and kind of eat it with a fork. So, but anyhow, so let's call it a Taco Pinwheel fail, but a Taco Stromboli success. So, but y'all, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Okay, and one more thing, y'all, I forgot to mention, I cooked it about 15 or 17 minutes, and about halfway through, I did kind of flip it over. This was the bottom side when it was cooking, and the top side. I know you can turn your broiler on, but it seemed like every time I turn my broiler on, I end up burning something. I've got the attention span of a flea. So, but it did cook about 15 to 17 minutes, and after about the 12-minute mark, I kind of flipped it over, which I didn't even record that. That was a little bit tricky. So, but y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I hope if you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like them, because I decided to make this, and I decided to just grab my phone and just record whatever happened. So, thanks so much. Have a great day, and God bless.